What's going on, guys? It's Shibab back with you again, and welcome to another unboxing. This time we're gonna unbox a Dell Inspiron model 3593 15.6 inch HD laptop. Before we dig into the unboxing, just a few things. I got this on Amazon and there was a whole lot of mixed reviews on this, some good, others not so good. I also noted that there were different specifications, for example RAM, HDD, those same model number laptop. Without further ado, we're gonna open the box, check it out, see the build quality and response rate so you guys can decide for yourselves if it's worth it. Now, basically the question is, what's included in the box? Only three things which I can show you guys. The laptop itself, the power output cable, and the adapter. Hopefully you guys can see. If you need more specifications, just zoom up. And you've got the manual. The manual we're looking at is not in any language. You can just follow the instructions, follow the installation, and that's everything you need to know. Looking at the laptop itself, we've got one USB 2.0 port here. We have a multi-format SD media card reader on the right side. On the left side, we've got two USB 3.1. We have one combination audio jack, and we have an HDMI, and lastly we've got a RJ45 connector. This laptop already came set up with Bluetooth, with a Bluetooth and wireless AC combo. It came with Windows 10 Home 64-bit. We're gonna check it out in a couple of minutes. Also, it doesn't have a backlit keyboard, and there is obviously no optical drive. On top, there's nothing else to show you guys, but below right here we can see that the battery is integrated. So to change the battery, you'll have to open the back part of this laptop. So now that we've got this laptop all set up with Windows installed, we're gonna go and check the internal characteristics. So first we're gonna check out the memory. So let's see what we've got here. We've got two discs. We've got a 256 SSD disk and a 1TB HDD disk drive. I'm gonna shut the laptop and then start it one more time to see how fast it opens up. Let's see what it's got here. It's a 10th generation Intel Core i3 dual core processor. It's got 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of SSD, and 1 terabyte of HDD. Okay, it's working perfect on Windows 10 Home 64-bit. As per video, it uses the Intel UHD graphics, and that's everything we need to know about this computer. So this is the upgraded Dell Inspiron model i3-3593. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and hope you have learned something in this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Ciao.